It's Dylan with American Home Contractors, and today I'm going to be walking you through how we install GAF Energy's new Timberline Solar Roof. From tear off of the old roof, installation of the energy shingles, and wiring them all together. So right now we're actually installing a thicker sheathing. Previously it was at 3/8 of an inch, and GAF Timberline Solar's minimum requirements is 15-30 seconds. So the guys are up on there right now ripping that old stuff off and putting that new sheathing in. After we install the new sheathing, we put down an ice and water shield towards the edge of the roof, and then we lay down a deck protectant called the GAF Deck Armor. After we finish installing the deck armor, we're going to start installing the starter shingles and the Timberline HD shingles on top. These starter shingles are actually 30% bigger for the Timberline Solar to accommodate the size of the HD shingles and the energy shingles themselves. Timberline Solar actually requires one row of asphalt shingles to be put down before the energy shingles themselves. On this roof, we got 3 rows of shingles because the roof size allows for it, and we think it looks better. Now we're going to start installing the energy shingles. First, we'll put down some step flaps, which is similar to step flashing, and then we'll start to nail down the actual energy shingles themselves. This is where the product really speaks for itself. It's installed just like an ordinary roof, and our guys get to nail it down almost as quickly as an ordinary roof as well. Then we begin to start installing the surrounding shingles, which are traditional asphalt shingles. On this project, we're using the Timberline HD shingle. And then lastly, we're going to begin wiring the energy shingles together and installing a protective wire cover on top. From here, our electrician's going to come out and finish wiring the system together. After that, then the utility company comes out, does a full-blown inspection, make sure it's all up to code, and we'll give you permission to operate. And that's how we install a GAF Energy Timberline Solar Roof. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave any comments or questions below. If you're in the DC, Maryland, or Virginia area, go ahead and check us out on our website at AmericanHomeContractors.com. We offer free virtual consultations as well as a free cost calculator just to give you an estimated idea of price on what this project could cost on a home like yours.